Today we are going to learn how to write an argumentative essay. Most argumentative essays have 5 paragraphs, an introduction, 3 body paragraphs, and a conclusion. The introduction. The introduction begins with a hook, an attention-grabbing statement about the topic. The hook is followed by 2 to 3 background sentences about the topic. The last part of the introduction includes a clearly defined thesis statement. The thesis statement is also called the claim. It is the most important part of an argumentative essay. The thesis statement clearly states the writer's position, and it is followed by reasons that support the argument. Body paragraphs 1 and 2. The first 2 body paragraphs provide reasons, evidence, and explanations to support the argument presented in the thesis. Each body paragraph begins with a transition word. Next, a reason to support the thesis is stated. The reason must be followed with credible evidence. Examples of credible evidence include examples, quotes, facts, and statistics. It is important to give credit to the author whose work is used as evidence. Credit is provided with an in-text citation and a reference list citation. The in-text citation includes the author's last name and the year of publication. Finally, an example or explanation is provided to show what the evidence proves. Body paragraph 3. The third body paragraph includes the counterargument and rebuttal. The counterargument is the opposing position. Providing a counterargument adds credibility to the essay and helps gain the reader's trust. The counterargument is followed by the rebuttal. The rebuttal provides a reason to disprove the counterargument. To be effective, the rebuttal should be supported with credible evidence and an explanation. The conclusion. The final paragraph of an argumentative essay restates the thesis, summarizes the reasons that support the thesis, and ends with a strong statement about the topic. The concluding paragraph should not introduce new reasons or evidence to support the writer's position. Reference list. A list of references, or bibliography, is always included with an argumentative essay. References are alphabetized by the author name or article title. The first line of each citation is aligned left. The following lines are indented. That's it! Now you know how to write an argumentative essay. Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please help our channel grow by hitting the like button. Make sure to subscribe and comment below what you want to hear next.